Hi! So, do you know where I'm standing right now? Do you see those big arches behind me? It is the city called Smyrna. So, this is the church that Jesus talks about in the book of Revelation. This is the second church, the church called Smyrna. So, what is said about this church? It says that they had been persecuted. Is this word new to you? Do you know what is persecution? When someone accepts Jesus as their savior, sometimes they're not accepted by people around them. You might have seen or you might have heard that many people in many parts of the world are undergoing persecution because they are a child of God. So are you wondering, how can I be persecuted? Probably, in school, it's your lunch break or your snack break, and your mummy or your Sunday school teacher has taught you always pray before you eat. And what do? You immediately close your eyes before your lunch box and you pray. And all your friends who are seated around you, they're making fun of you. Hey, what is this? Suddenly she's closing her eyes and praying. That could be a small way you could be persecuted in your school or among your friends. Or when everyone around you wants to do something bad. They want to copy in a test, but you want to be very loyal. You do not want to do that. You want to be honest and you want to do what is right. And all your friends, they say, hey, we are not going to be friends with you. You are behaving very holy. That is sometimes you can be persecuted. You can be bullied by your friends, and that can be persecution, probably in a child's context. So, how does this church connect with any other story in the Bible? Do you remember a disciple of Jesus who said, whatever happens, Jesus, I will never let you go? Who was that? It was Peter. Yes. When Jesus was arrested that night, all the disciples ran away. But actually, Peter was a little bold. He was like slightly following Jesus to see what was happening. And he saw them beating Jesus, okay? And Jesus was flogged. They were speaking bad things about Jesus, and Peter is watching all this. And what happens? Someone in the crowd is saying, hey, I've seen you. I've seen you with this man. And what does Peter think? Oh my goodness, now if they find out that I was with Jesus, I'm also going to get the same beating. So what did he say? I don't know. I don't know this man. And he said that 3 times. He was afraid at that time, probably I will be beaten. I will also be persecuted. But that was not the end of Peter. What did he do? He cried. He said, Lord, I don't want to do this again. I want to live for you. I want to testify that you are a great God. And that is what Peter did after Jesus was raised from the dead. He spoke in front of 3,000 people. Many were accepted. Many were accepting Christ. Was Peter applauded by everyone? Did everybody appreciate Peter? No. He was thrown into prison. He was beaten. He was persecuted in many ways. But he was not afraid. He said, I will be the child of God till the very end, whatever happens. That was the end of Peter. So what does Jesus say to the church in Smyrna? He says, you have to be faithful to the very end. You might be persecuted, but you have to overcome and you have to hold on to the very end. All of you might have taken part in some race at some point of your life, or you might have seen it on TV, Olympics and big things where many athletes run the race. Have you noticed? If an athlete completes till the end, only then he receives the reward. If an athlete, he just runs halfway through and then he falls down or he comes back, does he get the reward? No. So here again, Jesus says, if someone is faithful to the end, faithful to death, you know what he will receive? He will receive the crown of life. Doesn't it look beautiful? Yes. So when you and I get to heaven, what are we promised? Last time we learned from the church in Ephesus that we will get the right to eat from the tree of life. And to the church in Smyrna, what is promised? When you are faithful to the very end, even though you're persecuted, don't give up. You know, whatever problems are there, don't give up living for Jesus. And what will you receive? You will receive the crown of life when we get to heaven. We have just finished 2 churches in Revelation. Continue to watch and learn about all the churches in Revelation. See you. Bye-bye.